Hello, this is Fred Damon, and on to this today video I'll show you a feature in Office which will enable you to search section or search parts or features of the Office which are available without knowing where are they, or which section or which tab are they from, without going into the tab area to find them. For example, I'll be looking for page numbers, so I'll just come here to the place where it says tell me what you want to do. So I'll just write page number. When you write those words, you'll see several sections open up which are related to what you are searching for. For example, I wrote page numbers. There is add page number, numbering, add a footer. All these stuff are related with page numbers. But let's say we choose add page numbers, and then let's say top page numbers, and when we click, it automatically adds the page numbers to our document. So by using that feature, you can do a lot more with Office without having to know which section that feature you want to work with is available. So that's all for today. Thanks.